welcome to Dad Built. We just got a new hot tub and I couldn't be more excited. After years of wanting one, we finally decided to take the plunge, and it's going to be a great place to relax after doing all those DIY projects. So if you're thinking about getting a hot tub or just curious about hot tub maintenance, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to take you through some of the basics of spa maintenance and show you how to fill up and set up your new hot tub. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you 5 bonus tips to help you become a DIY hot tub pro. Check it out. There are 4 key activities to maintaining your spa: testing, balancing, sanitizing, and oxidizing. Before you do anything with your water, you need to know what's in it. Testing is an important process that's going to give you your pH, chlorine, alkalinity, and stabilizer levels. Knowing these levels means you'll know what you need to add or subtract from your water to make it perfect. Balancing refers to your pH levels. For spas, you want to see a pH level between 7.4 and 7.6. Having the right pH balance is best for comfort, but also creates optimal conditions for your other chemicals and protects your spa equipment. Depending on the source of your water, your pH levels will either need to come up or down. Sanitizing is accomplished by adding granular spa chlorine to the water. The ideal level you'll want to maintain is 2 to 3 parts per million. And to keep the levels in this range, you may need to add chlorine between spa uses. My hot tub guy told me that generally adding 1 tablespoon per person per visit after each use is enough. Oxidizing. This is also referred to as shocking. It's a process that helps keep your water clean and odor-free. Adding 2 to 3 ounces of shock each week with the cover off and the jets running for 30 minutes will help to burn off organics, body oils, and perspiration. Next up, filling your hot tub. If you're into DIY projects, give me a like and subscribe below. I post new videos weekly and I'm always on the lookout for new projects to tackle. So if there's something that you want to see, feel free to leave it in the comments. Now that we've got a handle on basic spa maintenance, it's time to fill up our hot tub. Remember, this process should be done with the breaker off and no power running to the unit. Go ahead and remove your hot tub cover as well as the filter cover. Most hot tubs are filled through the primary filter. This is to prevent something called an airlock from happening. You can see that I have 2 filters, and my hot tub instructions said that the primary filter was the one closest to the control panel. I removed the filter cap and inserted my hose directly into the filter. Then I turned the water on. While I was waiting for the tub to fill, I installed this catch bag onto the back of my filter cover. This should prevent any larger debris from getting into and clogging up my filters. The tub took about an hour to fill up. I checked on it at regular intervals to make sure that I didn't overfill. The instructions said to fill the spa enough so that the water just covers the top of the jets. Once the tub was full, I could remove the hose, put the filter cap back on, and replace the filter cover. And it's time to turn on the power. I had an electrician run service for my home and wire the hot tub. I'm a handy guy, but even the best DIYers know when to call a professional. Flipping the breaker starts the power to the spa and initiates the startup sequence. While it only took about an hour to fill the tub with water, it took several hours for the water to heat up. But once it got to be about 80 degrees, I started the basic routine we talked about in the last segment: testing, balancing, sanitizing, and oxidizing. My hot tub came with the chemicals needed for startup, but I went onto Amazon and bought an extra set so that I would always have a good stock on hand. And that's it. Filling up the spa was relatively easy with just those few specific things to look out for. I was using my hot tub that night. Thanks for hanging with me this far. As promised, here are 5 bonus tips to help you become a DIY hot tub pro. Have a spa bathing suit that you rinse with clean water and air dry between uses. If you wash your bathing suits with detergent, the residue can create suds and foaming. Try to avoid using too many lotions, deodorants, cosmetics, or hair products when using your hot tub. Rinse and clean your filters every 1 to 3 months, and make sure you turn your power off before you remove the filters. And you'll want to replace those filters every 1 to 2 years. Drain and refill your spa every 3 to 6 months. Thanks for being here. I hope this video gave you a good idea of what it takes to set up and maintain your new hot tub. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Dadbill and check out my other videos for more DIY projects and tips for dads. We'll see you next time.